Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will edit photos using Lightroom Mobile. I share presets for free at every time I make a Lightroom tutorial video. The presets that I shared are protected by a password. The password can be found in the video and will appear in the upper left corner of the screen. This is an example of filter photos before and after editing. Okay, let's go to Lightroom. Let's get to the light. We set the exposure to -0.21. Contrast to 53. Highlights to -30. Shadows to 60. Whites to -60. Black to -85. Next to the curve. For the curve, you can follow slowly. Okay, if we click Done. Next to the color. We set the temperature to -4. Vibrance to 55. Saturation to 20. Next to the mix, we go to red color. We set the hue to 100. Saturation to 13. Luminance to 25. We go to orange. We set the hue to -14. Saturation to -21. Luminance to 23. We go to yellow. We set the hue to -100. Saturation to -100. We go to green. We set the saturation to -100. We go to aqua. We set the saturation to -100. We go to blue. We set the saturation to -100, luminance to -16. We go to purple. We set the saturation to -100. We go to magenta. We set the saturation to -100. Okay, if we click Done. Next, let's go to Effect. We set the texture to 18. Clarity to 42. Dehaze to 13. Vignette to -9. midpoint to 75, feather to 85, next to split tone. We set the highlights hue to 224 and saturation to 14. We set the shadows hue to 223 and saturation to 14. OK, if we click Done. Next to Detail. We set the noise reduction to 25. Color noise reduction to 21. OK, editing complete. We try to copy the preset settings. Select point 3 at the top of the screen. Then select Copy Settings. Then select the checklist. Then select the photo you want to apply. Then select the .3D on the screen. Then select Paste Settings. OK, the results will be like this.